Hello, come and join me to make a delicious pasta recipe. This is my children's favorite. To get this and beef and make a nice tomato sauce with it. So stay tuned and enjoy. Watch to the end. In a pan, I'm going to add some oil and then I'm going to add my beef. I'm going to chop a medium-sized onion. I'm going to use although I'm going to add tomato sauce, but I'm going to add tomato. I want to put these vegetables in here. I don't just want to put tomato sauce, but I want to put also some fresh tomatoes in there. Trust me, they do eat it. If they do not like tomato, trust me, they do. There is always second serving whenever I'm preparing this meal, and it is very easy to prepare and the kids love it. So I'm chopping this so I can add it. I'm adding bell pepper. I'm half going to be red and yellow. For some reason I can't just cook one bell pepper. I have to add another one. I don't know why. Let me know in the comments. Do you do the same thing? Do you like mixing your bell pepper, or you just want use one color? I feel for some strange reason I feel like just adding one color is not enough, so I love adding other colors to it. It doesn't have to be very small, chopped very small pieces. You want your kids to eat the bell pepper. You want them to actually eat it, taste it, because you know our kids, they do not like vegetables. So I try my best to incorporate as much as I possibly can into my pasta, not just the pasta sauce. I want to add a little bit of vegetables in there. Let's chop some green onion. I'm just using one because I already have the yellow onion, so I'm just putting one side in here just to enhance the flavor. Chop some garlic. Chop a little. My chopped onion will be going inside now. I can't imagine cooking without onion. I remember someone I knew, things were very hard with her. She struggled a lot and she had no seasoning except onion. But let me tell you, I don't know, but that food tasted extra special. It was so delicious. Just onion, and I'm pretty sure she had maybe garlic, and that was all with her salt. I don't know, something special about her food. But I feel, it was just love. When you don't have much but you have love, this makes the food taste differently. You can cook food and add all flavors, all seasoning, but if there is no love in that food, you're not putting any love, they don't expect it to taste well. Think about it. Let's add our bell pepper in there. Oh, smells so good. Very good. Okay, let it cook for a while. My tomato. Nice arrive. And let's mix this baby up. Oh my God, this looks so beautiful. And I guarantee you, this recipe, your children will love it. So let us let this boil for a while. Our tomato is going to give it some water, and that's what we want. As you can see, I've not added any water to this. I'm going to let the tomato help me there. And then we'll add our pasta sauce and the remaining of our ingredients, seasoning. Now I'm going to add my tomato sauce. I'm going to do half of this. Then I'm going to add my classical rosé. I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to add half of it as well. Then I'm going to add one of my favorite sauces, this Korean sauce, barbecue sauce. And I'm going to mix it gently. This pasta recipe is very fast, especially if you're a very busy mom. This is a very easy pasta recipe and the children are going to love it. My children love it. This is not going to last. I would not be surprised if this is done tonight. Everything, yeah. Not exaggerating, it is true. The kids love this pasta recipe. Let's add some salt to taste. Then I'm going to add some cardamom. It gives it a very good flavor. Trust me when I say adding cardamom to this sauce is heavenly. I'm going to add some oregano as well. Some basil. And then I'm adding some garlic salt. Last but not least, I'm going to add some rosemary leaves in there. These are fresh rosemary leaves. And I'm just going to put it in here. You can even put it with the stick in. It's okay. You can't have pasta without rosemary leaves. Yeah. And I'm going to put this, turn it on the very low heat. Let it boil for at least 10 more minutes and it is all ready to go. Oh, I am so excited. Let's mix this. Got that. You see, I have not added any water, just the tomato, and then you have the tomato sauce, and that's it. Do not add any water. And the meat also gives out some water as well. So this is where your flavors are. So you are not taking anything away. Adding water is not always necessary. Now let's get our pasta ready. And I've already added butter and salt. And then I'm going to just add my spaghetti in here. Nothing fancy. I've also added some garlic salt. Or you can just add the ordinary salt. Right there, our pasta is ready. Let's drain it out and let us plate this. Our pasta is ready. Look at that. We add our delicious sauce. Look at the sauce. Wow. See, all the water is in here. And just dish this. Oh, the flavor, the smell is to die for. Look at this, so delicious. And then I'm going to garnish it with some celery right there. Who can resist something so delicious as this? Your kids are going to love this. Look at this, so delicious. Well, you can sprinkle cheese, parmesan, whatever cheese you like on top of it. But sometimes my kids can be so picky. They do not love cheese, which is really weird. So, thank you for enjoying this meal with me. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. God bless you.
If you enjoyed this creamy pasta, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes.